Today our topic is affiliate marketing. You might be thinking, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a process by which an affiliate earns a commission for marketing another person's or company's products. The affiliate simply searches for a product they enjoy, then promotes that product, and earns a commission from each sale they make. The sales are tracked via affiliate links from one website to another. You might be thinking, how affiliate program works. Affiliate program works on 8 stages. Show an ad or link for any store on your website, blog or social network. Customer clicks on your ad or link. Customer is sent to any design store. Through your provided tracking link, customer makes a purchase on that design store. Affiliate network records the purchase and the details of the transactions. The purchase is confirmed by the store as a valid sale. The transaction is credited to you. And finally you get paid your commission. Before we move on, check your reward links in the description below. Sign up there and get your affiliate links with $10 to $65 reward. Let's move on with our journey. You might be thinking, how does affiliate marketing works? Affiliate marketing works by spreading the responsibilities of product marketing and creation across parties. It manages to leverage the abilities of a variety of individuals for a more effective marketing strategy, while providing contributors with a share of the profit. To make this work, 3 different parties must be involved. Number 1. Sellers and product creators. Number 2. Affiliate means you or advertiser. Number 3. The consumer who purchased the product. You might be thinking, how do affiliate marketers get paid? The consumer doesn't always need to buy the product for you to get paid. It depends on the program you have chosen. Your contribution to the seller's sales will be measured differently. You may get paid in various ways. 1. PPS stands for pay per sale. In PPS, the merchant pays you a percentage of the sale price of the product. 2. PPL stands for pay per lead. In PPL, you must persuade the consumer to visit the merchant's website and complete the desired action, whether it's filling out a contact form, signing up for a trial of a product, subscribing to a newsletter, or downloading software or files. 3. PPC stands for pay per click. In PPC, you will get paid based on the increase in web traffic on merchant's website. You will get paid with PPS, PPL and PPC. There are tons of websites where you can earn money as an affiliate. This was for today. Do hard work and never give up on your failure. Learn your lesson and continue as a smarter affiliate. Don't stop achieving your goals. Become successful with success mentality. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.